to deliver a parcel. I'm extra happy. Should I tell what just happened?
What? You've given the passport?
Good morning, guys. Yeah.
Nice.
Hi. We are on the 14th floor.
मुझे पता है सबसे ज्यादा यही सोएगी लड़की.
Kissy, a smoking room. Bye, Dad. Bye, Mom. Hi, guys. Today I'm going to Delhi with my mom and dad for 2 days. Today and tomorrow. And today I'll go to Kidzania. It's an amusement park, and also it's actually a reward. It's a reward from my mom and dad going to Kidzania because I've written 40 books in my whole vacation. So yeah, see ya at Kidzania in 4 hours 3 minutes. Clock tower. Guys, see, this is a clock tower. Is it even real? Tower clock. Okay, but is it even real?
Yeah, it is.
It's not even working.
Working, beta. It's 4 o'clock.
Oh.
Yeah, they cannot, showcase something like that in public. That doesn't even work.
Oh. Nice. Guys, see, now it is up close.
Oh yeah.
I'll show you. Wow. Where's the top?
If they need to set the clock, they have to go
What?
all the way up there. Whoa.
You took such a turn. I was falling and I folded my leg.
Sorry, wow.
It's okay.
Kidzania.
Yeah. Yeah.
हे कंचन मैम, कैसा लगा? आपको 4 घंटे से पहले पहुंचा दिया चंडीगढ़ से
मैं पहुंचाती तो
नोएडा. चंडीगढ़ से नोएडा 4 घंटे में पहले पहुंचा दिया मैंने.
So guys, we went in. Okay, we went in, but then I needed to go to the washroom, so we went. So we're going back to the car to get mom's sandals she needed to wear.
What are you doing, Eddie? Not like this. Please. Let me clean. Eddie, let me clean, bete. गुड बेटा. इस तरीके से क्लीनिंग सबको सिखा दो कि कैसे करते हैं क्लीनिंग, राइट? वेरी गुड एडी, वेरी गुड. खुद की क्लीनिंग अपने से करनी चाहिए, मम्मा के भरोसे नहीं. ऑल राइट. व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू?
Dry waste, wet waste.
यस.
Tissue is normally dry, but today it's wet because I wet it. I didn't touch the dust.
What is happening, Eddie? What's happening here?
Giving the clean part, I guess.
Eddie, your check.
And check के लिए आपको एक message चाहिए. Bank जाना.
How are you feeling now?
I'm extra happy.
What are you going to do now?
We're going to the passport office.
Okay.
It's passport.
Let's go.
It's yes.
कौन है आपके पास?
These two things. That's all.
अब आप जो भी एक्टिविटी करोगे ना, आपको हर एक्टिविटी में पासपोर्ट शो करना है. अर्निंग एक्टिविटीज में आपको एक्स्ट्रा मनी मिलेगी.
But earlier we used to show this watch.
हाँ, अब आपको ये भी शो करना है आपको.
Also,
यस.
only this.
30 स्टेम्स कलेक्ट करने हैं.
Show me, Eddie.
Stems?
Show me, Eddie.
30 के बाद यहाँ पे आके अपग्रेड करवाना है.
Show me, Eddie.
Citizen passport. I'm waiting for the pizza.
Now you're hungry. Hey, did you find your van?
We had to give the passport and then we get this. What?
You've given the passport? No. Show the passport. Yeah, show the passport.
What is it?
The passports.
Okay.
No, the boarding pass.
Okay. Explain. How much did you earn?
Sorry. Huh? I earned 11.
11 rupees for making this.
Not rupees.
Dollar?
Kidzo.
Oh, kids though. Come. What next?
After this, I'll do whatever you do. I have.
Wow. Nice. Come.
Bye.
You made it, right?
Bye.
Nice.
Even
I like it.
I did the sprinkling, but they last time they had milk and dark chocolate. They had options last time.
Last time here you're talking about or the Mumbai one?
I think Mumbai one.
मैनेजर यू आर माय डिलीवरी एक्सपर्ट तो आपको पता है डिलीवरी एक्सपर्ट क्या वर्क करते हैं
They deliver parcels.
यस फर्नीचर स्टूडियो हमारी ऑफलाइन या ऑनलाइन कंपनी है महाराष्ट्र की कंपनी है सो अगर आप जिस लोकेशन पे विजिट करते हैं देन आपको बोलना है काय माय नेम इज दिस एंड आई एम कमिंग फ्रॉम पेपर फ्राई फर्नीचर स्टूडियो एंड आई एम हियर टू डिलीवर अ पार्सल ओके सो बोल के बताइए
Kai, my name is Addy. I'm coming from Pepper Fry, and I'm here to deliver a parcel.
यस देन पार्सल डिलीवर करने के बाद आपको उन्हें विश करना है हैप्पी फर्नीचर टू यू ओके क्या विश करना है
Happy furniture to you.
यस देन आपको अगर लोकेशन फाइंड करने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो आप यहाँ पे लोकेशन मैप है मैप से लोकेशन फाइंड कर सकते हैं ओके ऑल द बेस्ट कम
I need to take this. Dad, come here. I have a map this time.
Okay.
Yes. I'll first go to the bank. Where was the bank? Where was the bank?
You try to understand.
Kai, my name is Addy, and I'm from Pepper Fry, and I'm here to deliver a parcel.
Okay, please give me my passport.
Here. Happy delivery to you. Can you send it here?
यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please. The bank is there. I'll park it.
Yes, fine ma'am.
Kai, my name is Addy. I am coming from Pepper Fry, and I'm here to deliver a parcel.
Thank you.
Here. Right here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, since I am at the back 2A, then I have to go to 2C. 2B is there. If where 2B, then 2A.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yes.
English speak.
Yeah.
I have shown your videos.
I don't have that on my list. There's a map here. You can use it. Pen Kids So.
Wow. Superb.
Guys, Because I didn't have the pocket for the passport, I lost it. Now I need to go and find it. I think I left it in Mad Over Donuts. Come, Mom, let's go. She's making candy right now. It's double color. Ooh. Wow. Just look at it change. Ooh, wow. Nice. Lovely.
Why did you start eating? Tell them.
Because it was changing shape.
What's happening?
What's happening to my face?
Are you excited?
Kinda.
Kinda.
You see?
Are you comfortable with the Crocs? Acha, okay. It's okay. Focus on just climbing. It's not slippery. You feel that way. Use your hands. Up there. Right hand up there. Yeah. Try, Baba. Try. Hands are slippery. So dry your hands on your dress. On your dress. By leaving one hand at a time. Come on. Is your hand dry now? Now try. Good, good. Right leg, yes. It's okay, it's okay.
ऊपर लेफ्ट लेग ऊपर
Left leg up. एक तो शूज नहीं पहने ना इसलिए that's a big trouble. Shoes up. एडी वेट आपका फ्रंट में होना चाहिए, बैक पे नहीं. Bend a bit.
बैंड हो रहे हैं ना तो इसलिए आप हाथों पे जोड़.
You can, come on. वेट आपको फ्रंट साइड में रखना है. Up, up.
ट्राई तो करो.
Try to Guru, you won't fall, Eddie. You won't fall. Bhaiya is here, he is holding the rope. Wait, listen. Is your right hand holding that, the left hand up? Okay, get down. Leave. Yeah. It's okay. I think it would be better if you were wearing. If you were wearing shoes, it would be better. That's the thing. I understand. Shoes would be better. See, I cannot do it in this, you know. That's okay. Why sorry? Why are you sorry? Oh, you still get in? Okay. Thank you, dear. We want this on family connection.
Oh.
See, wait for your vlog.
This is the next one.
Right?
We are inside.
That's a part of it.
You're in the vlog.
ये whipped cream है.
Red pieces.
ओके एंड इस whipped cream को आपको स्प्रेड करना है. लाइक आपको इसे ऐसे निकाल के नाइफ को क्लीन करना है. साइड से आप इन्हें अपनी ब्रेड को अपने लेफ्ट हैंड में होल्ड करेंगे और इसे ऐसे लगा के स्प्रेड करेंगे, ओके, लाइटली।
We can take as much time as we want.
यस,
Okay.
टेक योर
I'll take this. I'm going to take the most time. Okay, I think it's a bit too much.
You are always going check, right?
Right now, yeah. Daddy's already recorded this once. I've done it again today. I wanted to.
This has been recorded already.
Yeah. Just record it again.
Do it again.
Yeah. Just show that I'm doing again. Daddy didn't record the. No, Daddy didn't record. Daddy went.
Your licking is wet.
It because it came on my hand.
Okay, you will eat, right?
Yeah. I made it.
मैम, फिर चाहिए पासपोर्ट।
Passport?
ओके, थैंक यू।
Yeah.
एंड टेक योर किड्स।
We're going to eat it now.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you. It's an earning activity.
पास में आओगे तो कैसे?
It's an earning activity.
Earning activity.
Someone is just becoming the judge.
Different feeling.
Now put the hair also, judge. My mom is the judge. Hey, it's the other. No. You have to remove your black hair.
Okay.
You're old. Keep it behind. Hi, Judge. Hi. Judge, I have something for you. It's your turn to play. Go, play.
No.
Fine, then I'm playing. Hi. Wait.
ये जो टेप दिख रही है ना गोल्डन टेप
It will stay only that much time. We can't do it later. Oh, that's not fair.
Which one?
Well, when
When you
I
leave this, या वही तो बोला था मैंने repeat भी किया था. Why didn't you do it?
आपको ये जो टेप दिख रही है गोल्डन टेप उसके अंदर जाना है
I know. Tell me when to stop.
रेडी स्टार्ट
So guys, now I'm done with Kidzania and I'm going to go to the hotel, not home. You should also go to Kidzania. Just the Mumbai one is better, not the Delhi one. I like Mumbai one. Daddy likes Delhi one because it's closer. Delhi is closer. We're going to go to the car now. See you at the hotel. So guys, now I'm at the hotel. Ta-da! So after this, we would go to our hotel room. I mean, we would first have dinner. Then we'll go to our hotel room. Should I tell what just happened? About the Zoom.
Yeah, by mistake.
By mistake, Daddy booked online. Daddy booked online, and so by mistake he booked a room, a smoking room. By mistake, where people smoke, right? Mom, where people smoke, right? Mom, where? So we have to So they are going to change our room. Until then, we will go to the washroom in the public one, public washroom in the hotel, and we'll have dinner. Until then, they would change it, our room.
It was the arrow man that we have to do this.
1, 4.
0, 1. How could you not memorize things?
Hey!
The last one. The last floor, the last room. Why so?
It's not a smoking room?
No smoking room.
Is this already on?
Yeah, it is on. So that you, when you get into
Hey,
Just
You get
hold
it.
the door, hold the door.
Eddie, jumping Japan.
I would not see the bed.
Let's jump.
I'll keep my 1, 2, 3.
I'm really sorry, I have the mic and
अरे तुमसे ज़्यादा मुझे नींद आ रही है यार, भयानक
I'm
नींद।
not sleepy at all.
I wasn't.
मुझे पता है सबसे ज़्यादा यही सोएगी लड़की 9 बजे तक।
Oh, this. I know. It's dinner, but it looks like breakfast.
Look at this baby kid.
Good.
Wow, wow, wow,
I
wow.
will give this one. No. She left me.
Going that side to check this out. Um. Keeps falling. Ah. Wow. Ah.
Are you happy?
It's just there's nothing on the fork.
So what I want? Why would I live?
ये मैंने खाया है ये कंचन मैडम का ये एंटी का
Nothing under the plate, I promise. See.
गुड
Alright. Mom? One way to show that you're eating noodles is this. And one way is making noodles hanging from here. Like this. 1 minute.
So is it right or not?
What?
Not right, right?
I was just.
Eat slowly, right? Okay. Done? Let's go.
Nom, nom.
One more.
Come on.
Let's go, let's go. उसको देखो.
So, guys, we're done with the buffet system. I mean, dinner. We're done with dinner. Now, we're going to go to the room and, do stuff. Come, let's go, Mom. And, guys, I forgot to tell you. Guess which floor we are on? Or did you already see? Oh, I'll just tell again if I already told. And if I didn't, then okay, I'm telling. So, we are on the 14th floor. 14th floor, and it's the top floor, and we're in the last room. 4101. 4101. That's where we are. Our room, and I love it. It's at the top, and the view from there is amazing. So guys, now we're at our hotel, and now we're going hotel room. So now we're going to sleep.